Hey friends, hope you're well. Let's take a look at 10 incredible AI tools that will make your life so much easier, save you time, and make you more productive with less effort. These AI tools I'll show you in this video will turn entire books into summaries within seconds, generate home renovation ideas based on home photos, and even transform bad echoey audio like this into studio-like audio quality. It's amazing what these tools can do. Those are just a few examples of the tools we'll be looking at today that I've been loving, and I'm sure you'll be using at least one of these by the end of the video. So let's jump into the first tool. The first tool is called PDF GPT, and it creates instant summaries, insights, and notes for any PDF. So this is a simple interface, and all you need to do is drag and drop the PDF to get started. Once it's analyzed, it'll immediately give you a summary of the PDF, which is actually really accurate. Then you can ask PDF GPT questions about the stories. So for example, maybe it's a long story and I just want to know how it ends. So I'll just ask, how does the story end? And just like that, it'll give me the story ending, even filled with references to the PDF itself. You can even ask very specific questions like, how long has Mrs. Tabor been married? And just like that, we've got the answer. And yeah, this story seems to be pretty dark. This is a tool that is amazing for students or anyone needing to analyze a big PDF document without, sinking your own hours analyzing the PDF. So next up, we're going to turn Zoom meetings or any video meetings into notes and insights using something called Parrot AI. Here I am on the website, and after signing up for a free account, Parrot AI can start to summarize your meetings in real time and save you a lot of time and potentially even money. So you can either use existing video or audio meetings and even add Parrot AI into a live or an upcoming call by giving it the meeting URL or inviting my@parrot.ai as an attendee. So let's just say I finished up my Zoom meeting that I had recorded, I have the audio file, and I want it all summarized to send to my client. I'll take the audio file here and then upload it. This file is an actual Zoom call I had with a client of mine, and once it's uploaded and analyzed, I'll get a custom summary that I can copy and paste to my client right here. If you're looking to dive even deeper into the call, you can click into the recording and click this button here, Ask Chat AI, and ask any questions about the meetings and have it answered. I can also choose to send this entire transcription and the audio file directly in Parrot AI to whoever needs it. This is pretty cool stuff, right? And you can imagine just how much time it might save you. Just be careful though, when you upload into Parrot AI, it's probably a good idea to avoid sharing confidential meetings and information. So the next AI tool is another favorite, and that's Adobe Enhance. Adobe Enhance unlocks the potential from any microphone by enhancing your voice and removes all unwanted noise to turn any ordinary audio clip into audio that sounds as if it was recorded in like a professional studio. I was skeptical at first, but after a few uploads, the result is truly incredible. Let's step out of the studio here and into a larger room that's usually pretty echoey and give this a real test. So in this larger room, you can probably tell that the audio quality isn't that great, but with Adobe Enhance and applying AI to this audio, just like that, this sounds like I'm now recording in a studio with phone panels and a better microphone. Even though this is a relatively affordable microphone, it's amazing, and you need to give this one a try. You can even give it a go with just a mobile phone. It's currently completely free to use with an Adobe account, and it's really simple to use. You just need to drag and drop your audio file right into the browser here, and that's it. It's the easiest way to get studio quality audio. The next AI tool is InVideo, who's kindly sponsoring this segment of the video. InVideo is about to release their brand new AI tool that will turn an idea into a video instantly, and will revolutionize how you create marketing ads, content, or even YouTube explainer videos, for example. As you can see here on the current web interface, InVideo has an AI text to video workflow that's able to create full video scripts with a prompt such as create an explainer around top cities in the US to visit. And then it'll take a few seconds for an entire script to appear. And then, as you can see, it's appeared. And then when you click create scenes here, InVideo will then crawl its library of over 8 million royalty-free stock video clips, including Shutterstock and iStock, to create a video that is perfectly matched up with the video script itself. You can also turn the entire script into a realistic voiceover narrated video and then adjust the language and voice type here so your entire video is automatically narrated. InVideo has added new realistic voiceovers to make video narration sound even more realistic when we use automated text-to-speech. This is great if you're looking to, create quick video presentations, marketing videos, or even start a YouTube channel where you might not want to appear in it yourself.
Begin your journey in the Big Apple, New York City.
So this new AI text-to-video tool builds upon an already powerful online video editor within InVideo. It's a tool that I've used to create Facebook ad videos within minutes, and it's also a platform that just taps into its huge library of royalty-free content, as well as 6,000 optimized and fully customizable templates and online graphic assets, which has saved me time and money because otherwise I would have had to purchase stock content separately. It's super easy to use. For example, dragging and dropping text boxes here and then adjusting them, adding stickers, and then even animation elements to videos. It's really easy and fun to use. And if you get stuck, InVideo's 24/7 live chat support is always just a click away too. And then to download the full watermark-free HD videos, you'll need InVideo's paid plans, and InVideo's giving my audience a 25% off code if you use the link in the description box below. Overall, it's a one-stop powerful online video editor that gives you full customization without the big learning curve. And with the addition of AI to the platform, this is a tool that will make content creation fast and simple for all sorts of purposes. The next AI tool we'll look at is one of my favorite tools right now, and that's Perplexity AI. It's an AI-powered search engine that will transform the way you get answers, and I've been using it to run research, write emails, and even to write some code. It works by combining ChatGPT and Microsoft Bing together to answer just about any question with detailed answers, even with references. I've used this tool a lot when I need an accurate answer with links to the references. So for example, I can ask it, what is the best time of the year to visit Canada? And not only will it give you a detailed, accurate answer, it shows citations to where it sourced the answers and related content in case you want to read more or cite the sources in your own work. You can even ask it to draft emails for you. So let's just say I want to work at Tesla. I'll ask Perplexity to write this email to Tesla for me. And then after asking the question and waiting for a moment, voila, immediately it comes up with an actually pretty decent email pitch. It also even writes code better than I ever will. If I type in Python code for generating a grid of cells as a geodata frame, it will give me back a multiple completely usable lines of code. Next is Stable Diffusion. It's hands down one of the easiest to use image AI tools and lets you create masterpieces with really simple sentences. The best part of this tool is it's completely free and you're able to use it on the homepage of Stable Diffusion, so no apps, signups, or Discord server setup required. If you go to their website here and then scroll down, you'll see the prompt box. Let's go ahead and give it a test and see what comes out. As you can see, it's incredible in what it returns. It's pretty hilarious, and the world's the limit with these prompts. And as an additional follow-up test, let's enter something a bit more sophisticated, like Legend of Zelda Portrait Detailed Oil Painting 8K. So once it's rendered, as you can see, this is a lot more detailed, a questionable depiction of Link here, but it's still pretty worthy of having fun with and using it for illustrations or articles or whatnot. And there are artists out there using these tools to create insane pieces of artworks. And it's a great way to add images to your articles, like I said, projects, websites, or just to have fun with. Speaking of images, the next tool is Magic Eraser, and this quickly erases just about anything out of an image that you might not want there. This is something you can do on Photoshop if you know how to use the tool, but it can be time consuming, so Magic Eraser just makes this process an absolute breeze with AI. So head over to the Magic Eraser website, link in the description, and then drag and drop your photo here. Let's take this photo here of my current lounge room, and let's say I want to get rid of the newly mounted TV in this video for whatever reason. Go ahead and just highlight the TV with the brush, and then once it's all highlighted, then click erase, and then boom. It's pretty quick and it's completely disappeared, and it's done an amazing job. It's literally as if the TV was never there in the first place. The next tool is an AI-powered presentation builder. I have spent literally weeks, hours and hours and hours on PowerPoint creating presentation slides, and Tome gives me back those hours because it natively uses ChatGPT 3 and DALL-E to create engaging presentations with a single sentence output. So whether you're creating a presentation for a school project or creating a business proposal, Tome makes it incredibly easy. So say I'm presenting a webinar about a beginner's guide to creating Facebook ads in 2023. So rather than starting from a blank page, I can just type into the Tome tool how to create a Facebook ad in 2023. And within a minute or so, it'll generate a beautiful presentation and give me something to work with rather than starting from a blank canvas, which is so incredibly useful. All this information here is sourced via ChatGPT 3, so it's quite accurate, and the photos are created by DALL-E, so all presentations are unique, I believe. Of course, I'd go through this and make it my own and add to it so it becomes my own presentation. That's easy to do because it's a great presentation builder in itself with simple to use drag and drop tools and beautiful templates to pull from as well in case you get creatively stuck. The next AI tool I want to show you is Prime Voice AI, and it's the easiest way to narrate just about anything from creating audiobooks to having audio versions of your blog posts that you can insert into your website. It's another ready to use tool right here on the homepage, as you can see here. And then all you need to do is type out the text you want to narrate. So let's go with, hello, this is a test for Prime Voice, full stop. And then click play.
Hello, this is a test for Prime Voice.
So you can even play around with the voices, and then let's go with a female voice.
Hello, this is a test for Prime Voice.
So that sounds much more natural. And I can even add emotion by having exclamation marks, commas even. Let's give this a go and see the difference.
Hello, this is a test for Prime Voice.
Wow, that's very exaggerated. So you can even play around with the languages here. Let's speak it out in German.
Was dich beunruhigt, beherrscht.
It translates directly to different languages, and then you can even click the download button here and it downloads into an audio MP3 immediately. So for podcasters, authors, or anyone that needs audio narration, this could quite literally save you hundreds of hours recording your voiceovers yourself. It's an absolute game changer. Moving on to the last tool, which I've been using recently for home interior upgrades, which is Interior AI. It's great if you want to see what you can do with your space or to improve it. So all you need to do is drag and drop a photo of your space you want to decorate or redesign, and Interior AI will handle the rest for you. Then you can see that it does all the job for you and then renders out some pretty decent results and some interesting ideas for you to get brainstorming with your interiors. And then it's just so much easier than using like a software like AutoCAD or something like that. This is just another tool that saves you a lot of time, yet gives you a lot of ideas. If you made it to the end of the video, drop the code word comment futuristic and I'll give it a like for watching till the end. And let me know in the comments too what your most useful AI tool is. I'd love to check it out myself. And I'll leave a video here to my favorite Mac apps for you Mac users out there to check out. And as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.